Are you glued to learning new things every day? Welcome to Tell Me More, the channel in which you will find crazy facts about anything that you can imagine. Stay tuned. There are so many sports that we know and love, but what about the ones that you've never heard of? In this video, we'll be introducing you to 10 sports that you may have never heard of before. From Quidditch to Buzkashi, these sports are unique and intriguing in their own way. Some of them are adaptations of popular sports, while others have been around for centuries. So sit back, relax, and let's explore the world of the unknown sports together. Who knows, you might just find your new favorite pastime. Now let's dive into it. 10. Quidditch. This is a sport that was created as part of the Harry Potter universe, but has been adapted as a real-life sport. It is a full-contact sport played on a field with 7 players on each team. The objective of the game is to score goals by throwing a ball called a quaffle through one of 3 hoops on the opposing team's end of the field, while preventing the opposing team from scoring. This sport is most popular in the United States, Canada, Australia, and the United Kingdom. 9. Bossaball. Bossaball is a sport that was created in Spain, and it combines elements of volleyball, soccer, and gymnastics. It is played on an inflatable court with trampolines, and the objective is to hit a ball over a net and to the ground on the opposing team's side. The sport is played by 2 teams of 4 players, and the rules are similar to those of beach volleyball. The court is split into 2 parts, one for each team, and there are no boundaries on the sides. The sport is known for its high-flying acrobatic moves and its unique combination of sports. It is also popular in South America and Asia. 8. Underwater hockey, also known as octopus, is a sport in which 2 teams compete to push a puck across the bottom of a swimming pool using underwater hockey sticks. The game is played by 2 teams of 6 players, and the objective is to score goals by pushing the puck into the opposing team's goal. It is played on the bottom of a pool, and players wear diving gear, including fins, mask, and snorkel. The sport is governed by the Confédération Mondiale des Activités Subaquatiques, CMAS. 7. FootGolf. FootGolf is a sport that combines the rules of golf and the skill of soccer. It is played on a golf course with a soccer ball, and the objective is to kick the ball with your feet into a hole in as few kicks as possible. The game is played with a group of players, and each player takes turns kicking the ball into the hole. The player with the lowest number of kicks at the end of the round wins. The sport was created in the Netherlands, and it is popular in Europe, South America, and the United States. It is governed by the Federation for International FootGolf, FIFG. The sport is growing in popularity, with the number of footgolf courses increasing around the world, and many countries starting to organize national and international tournaments. It has also been included in the program of the World Games since 2017, and it is expected to continue growing in popularity in the future. 6. Korfball, a sport that is similar to basketball and netball, with elements of soccer and handball. It is played by 2 teams of 8 players, with 4 players of each gender on each team. The objective is to score points by throwing a ball into a basket that is mounted on a 3.5-meter high pole. This sport was created in the Netherlands and is popular also in Belgium and other European countries. Before we move further, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give this video a thumbs up. 5. Chess boxing. Chess boxing is a sport that combines the strategy of chess and the physicality of boxing. The sport is played in alternating rounds of chess and boxing, with each round lasting 3 minutes. The chess game is played in the first half of the match, and the boxing match is played in the second half. The objective is to either win by checkmate in the chess game or by knockout in the boxing match. The sport originated in Germany in the early 2000s, and it has since spread to other countries such as the UK, France, and India. 4. Sepak takraw. Sepak takraw is a sport that is similar to volleyball, but it is played with a woven rattan ball and without the use of hands or arms. The objective is to hit the ball over a net and to the ground on the opposing team's side. The sport has its origin in Southeast Asia and it is particularly popular in Malaysia, Thailand, and Indonesia. It is governed by the International Sepak Takraw Federation, ISTAF. 3. Buzkashi. Buzkashi is a traditional Central Asian sport that is played on horseback. The objective of the game is to grab a headless goat carcass and carry it across a goal line. The sport is most closely associated with Afghanistan, Kazakhstan, Kyrgyzstan, Tajikistan, Turkmenistan, and Uzbekistan. The game is also played in Pakistan, Iran, and Turkey. Buzkashi is considered a national sport in Afghanistan, and it is often played on special occasions such as weddings or national holidays. 2. Tug of war. Tug of war is a sport that is traditionally played as a strength competition between two teams. Each team tries to pull the other team across a central line. Tug of war is a sport that has been played for centuries, with evidence of the sport dating back to ancient China, Egypt, and Greece. It is popular in many countries around the world, but it is most closely associated with the United Kingdom, where it has a long history. Tug of war is governed by the Tug of War International Federation, TWIF. 1. Shin kicking. Shin kicking is a traditional English sport that is most closely associated with the Cotswold region of England. The objective of the game is to kick an opponent's shins in an attempt to make them fall to the ground. Shin kicking is a brutal sport that has been played for centuries, and it continues to be played in a few villages in the Cotswold region. It is considered a niche sport with a limited number of players and competitions. That's all. Hope you have enjoyed this video. Have you ever heard about these sports? Tell us in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, give the video a thumbs up, and turn on post notification so that you do not miss the upcoming videos. See you in the next one.